Hello friends and welcome to the fifth video of our series. In this video we are going to learn how to implement audios, videos to our website and also how to implement YouTube videos to our website, and also we will learn how to implement background music in our website. So let us start. We will open the start menu, we will open the Notepad as we know already, Notepad++, we are going to work on it. We will close the necessary files, or you could let it open also, it's up to you. New file is available here. So what we will do, we will start from HTML. As you know already, these are some common steps which are always occur. HTML, head, title, audios and video. You could give whatever title you want, your choice. Title close, head close, body open. So now first of all what we will start from audio. In order to implement audio in your website, you should have that audio available in that particular drive, or you should know the exact location where your audio is stored. It's always a good practice to put your audio in different folder, name audio, video in different folder, name video, images in different folder, name images. So the things are quite arranged and it's properly organized, so you could easily access their data. Otherwise it could be a quite messy kind of thing. So what we will do, we will go in the file explorer and we will go in the location where we are saving all our files. So here available all the files. I already pasted some audio and video. This one is video. We will change its name, some convenient name, monster. Okay, monster is the name of the video. mp4 is the extension, so mp4 means video file. Monster.mp4 is the file name for my video, and memories.mp3 is the audio one. So what we will do, as I am having a separate folder for the images, so whatever images is available inside here. Similarly what I will do, I will make two different folders, one name audios, one name videos. It's not mandatory, but it's a good practice. Audios, another folder, videos. So what I will do, I will simply put the video file inside the video one and the audio file inside the audio one. So we will start from the audio first. Okay, now in order to put audio inside your website, there is a tag known as audio. Same like image, it works almost similarly today. The name of the tag is audio. Okay, then src, same like image. So you have to give the complete path and the name of the file. We write in semicolon, so if there is some special character or space available inside the file name, so it could be properly readable. Otherwise it will not able to read properly, and it's a good practice to not to put any spaces for your file name. It's a good practice to put hyphen or underscore instead of spaces. Okay, so inside the audios folder, there's a memories.mp3. it's also important to remember the extension also properly. Okay, so here I put the audio tag. It's important to close the audio tag also, and I will put some text also. Enjoy the music. Okay, I save the file. I name it 8-bit, means audio video .html. You could put whatever name you want. Okay, now we already have file explorer open and we already have that. We are already in that location. I will open the file simply with the default browser. So as you can see, the text is available, but there's no sign of any audio here because we have missed some attributes inside, which we will now discuss it. Okay, so to make sure whether the audio is playing or not, there is a speaker kind of sign here which indicates that some audio is playing inside the website. Now what we will do, we have mentioned the audio tag, we have mentioned the source, but we didn't mention controls. Okay, so if we have to just write controls, nothing else. If we write controls inside, then the audio is available and the controls are also available. There's a play and pause button, there's a seek button, and there's speaker for the volume, to increase the volume and to decrease the volume. I will just give a BR tag, so this thing is appearing on the next slide. Okay, so now what we are having now our music player. I can come here. Audio start playing already and you could hear it. There's a speaker icon, so it will make sure that the audio is playing. Alright, so I will pause it for a while. Now there's one more step. Controls we have mentioned already. Suppose you want, as your website get loaded, the music also starts playing automatically. For that purpose, you will just add autoplay inside. So if you mention autoplay inside along with controls, so the controls are visible and the music will start playing as the website is loaded. The website is loaded. I refresh the page, but the audio is not playing. There's a reason behind that, because some browsers restrict the autoplay of the videos and audios, because there's a lot of data, internet data is getting used. Okay, so that's why the browser save it or restrict it for that. So individually, for the individual browser, individual user could go to this option, autoplay option. Block audio is the default one, so they can change allow audio and video and block audio and video. So allow audio and video we have selected. Now when the page is refreshed, you could see the speaker icon and the audio start playing automatically. Now in order to make background music for your website, you could hide this controls option. Simply what I will do, I will not mention the controls, but autoplay is there. So what will happen, if the audio video is not restricted from this area, as the page will be loaded, the audio section is not available, the controls are not available, but the audio is just playing in the background. You could see the speaker icon. Alright, so this is the thing how we can use for the audios. You can put some music, whatever music available, any audio file you could add here, and you could play for the background music, or for the controls you could give the controls also. Along with controls, if you mention autoplay, then the song will start playing only if the click on the play. Right? So this is the thing. Same thing is for the video. Instead of audio, you will mention video. Now I will put this thing in comment. So we will hide this thing. Okay, moving ahead. Now what you have to do for the video tag, you will just replace the audio tag from the video tag for the videos. The folder name is videos and the name of the file is monster. Similarly for that, same like audio, you could mention your autoplay and you could mention controls or no. If you will not mention any controls and you will not mention autoplay, so what will happen? Here I have to close video as well. So what will happen? When the page is loaded, see, nothing is available. Because we didn't mention, here we have made one fault, the file was MP4. So now video is available here, but there's no controls and we didn't mention autoplay, so the video will not able to play automatically. And since it's we have allowed already, but still it's not playing because autoplay option is not available, and secondly controls are also not available. So how the user will play the video? For that purpose, what we will do, either we can mention autoplay, and we don't want to give any controls for the user, so whenever the website is loaded, the video start playing automatically. Now there's a play pause button available here, play pause button available here, seek bar available here, and the remaining thing full screen mode also available here. So as you could play the video, you could go with full screen as well. You could seek as well, forward as well. You could reduce the volume, you could increase the volume, and all controls are automatically available in the browser. The look of the controls depend from browser to browser. It could be little bit different, but they will work similarly in all the browsers. Okay, so now we will exit this one. So similarly like audio, you could play with autoplay and you could play with controls. And for the video tag, there are two more things. You could mention the width and height as well. It's a good idea to mention just the width, not the height. Or height will be adjusted automatically, but you could mention the height as well. So we give the width 300 pixels. You could see the size of the video. The default is around 600 to 700 pixels. Now we will refresh the page. Now it's 300 pixels. Okay, so we can arrange videos. One available here, one available in the side, one available in the side. So we can arrange 2, 3 or more videos side by side. Okay, if I copy this one, you will see the example. Now we have 3 videos lined up in one line. So you could just change the source of the video, and same like a playlist, or you could or video gallery, you could show your videos to the users. Now there's one thing. Later on we are going to learn how to upload the content of your website. All this what we are developing here, how to upload it on the hosting server. Currently we are having in local servers. So there's one drawback of hosting a large files in hosting server. What happens generally, those large file takes a lot of space for the hosting server, but you have a restricted amount of space like 1 GB or 2 GB space. In that scenario, if your video is not something personal, private, or you could easily distribute it publicly, so what you could do, you could just upload it in the YouTube and you could just paste the link here. It will have two benefits. First of all, you reduce the space of your website. Secondly, your video is promoting in either way, inside your website also and inside YouTube also. So it's always a good idea to upload your videos in YouTube and paste the links in your website. Okay, so now we will learn how to paste a YouTube video. We will remove this one also, or either we will put in comment. Now moving ahead, now what we will do, we will open the browser, we will open YouTube, and I will copy a link of our website. I will teach you how to copy. You will just browse to your favorite, suppose you have some channel, or you will browse to the video, whatever video you want to implement inside the website. We will take our second tutorial in this case. If we come down, as we come down, there's a share option available. We will go in the share option, and there's embed option already selected. Okay, now in this embed section we will copy all this area here. As you can see here also available iframe, which we have learned already in the previous tutorial. So we will just copy this one and we will paste inside our website wherever we want to paste it. Now here, if we go through this, width available, height available, we could increase or decrease the width and height according to our need. Link is available, and remaining thing, no need to touch any of those things. Okay na? So when I will refresh my page, here's available the website with YouTube link. Now this video is not uploaded in your server, it's in YouTube, and it's coming from there inside your website. So you could play, and all the function will work exactly same like all the function will work exactly same like available in the YouTube. So it's a benefit. You have understood already what's the benefit of uploading videos in the YouTube and implementing it in your website. So guys, that's it for today. Today we have learned about audio, background music, video and YouTube videos. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe our videos so that you could get in touch about all the new videos uploading in our web tutorials. Thank you.